up? Welcome back to the channel. Thanks for subscribing and tuning in once again to another video from this channel. Let me firstly apologize for this video taking so long to come out. I did promise a follow-up video on the tucking of the wires for the dash cam and the installation of this wiring for the dash cam that we put in. Well, basically the reason for the delay on this video was because of this. Yes, some douchebag decided to break the rear quarter vent glass on my vehicle, and I had to run around looking for a new one. Now most of you are probably saying, but why not just call the insurance up? Well, excess on that would be more than what I actually paid for the windscreen, or the window rather, than having to pay the excess on that. So yeah, I spent the morning calling around getting quotes, and then eventually decided, you know what, screw that, I'm just going to drive out to one of the places and have it fitted and not bother with insurance and having them take forever and a day to get back to me while I'm driving around with an open back vent. So that wasn't ideal. Yeah, so back to what this video is all about. So the last video I spoke to you guys about the dash cam that I got from one of the subscribers and the review I did on it. Well, let's have a look and see how the tucking of the wires came out. The dash cam is still fitted as it was, and we've got the cable now running up under the headliner all the way across down to the A-pillar, down the A-pillar, and tucked underneath the dashboard is some wiring and some fuse boxes where the cable is connected directly. The way they did was they took this cable over here, extended with a USB extender, and then they took one of these, connected it up, taped it up, and basically soldered flex wire or power cable wire to it, and then spliced it into a 12-volt supply. So now when I turn on the ignition, the Volkano Dashcam comes on, and when I turn the ignition off, it turns off as well. So it takes some time, like a few seconds, before it actually turns off. As you can see there, it turns off. So now everything is neatly tucked away. We've got no cables running all over the place, no cables running down here at the bottom, so it all looks neat and tidy. As you can see, there's no cables anywhere to be seen, and it looks all neat. Well, this is the only cable that's for the tablet over there. Say thank you to all of you for watching this video and subscribing to the channel. And if you're not subscribed, smash the subscribe button, smash the like button, share this video, and do leave a comment or two, or remark, whatever you want to call it. It is appreciated, and the more interaction I have with you guys out there, the better it is for me and for the channel. So thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one.